So today we'll discuss the installations. So what are the different tools we need? So those tools we'll install today. First one is we need a Java, right? We need to install Java if you want to run your program. So that is a one thing. And another thing, we need a tool where you can write the program. Right? If you want to write a program, you need some tool, that is IDE tool, we call that. So that tool we are going to introduce and install. I'll introduce 3-4 tools, that IDE tools. Maybe 3 we will use. First Eclipse, VSCode and Intellij. So all these 3 is widely used. So that's why I will introduce one by one, so that you will get habituated with all the IDE tools. So instead of saying I don't know this IDE tool, and we'll use here. Okay. And so let's get started first with the Java. Let's install Java. How to check first? Do you have a Java or not? How can you check it? So first, no, you can do many ways. One is open a command prompt. CMD, just type CMD. That will open the command prompt. Can you do along with me? Just open a command prompt. Then type Java space minus version. So now if you get like this, you have Java in your machine already. If you are not getting this one, then you haven't installed Java on your machine. So that we will check. So how to check? This is the one way to check whether you have Java in your machine or not. Can you quickly check this? How to open this command prompt? So here in the search bottom side, just type CMD and open that, press enter key. It will open a command prompt. Then type Java space minus version. So that will give you, so like this, if you get this version, Java version, Java runtime environment, so Java hotspot like this, that means, so I have a Java 11.0.19. That's the Java 11 I have in my system. So this is how you can check whether you have Java or not in your system. One way. Can you confirm quickly whether you have Java or not in your machine? Or what when you type this, what is the error you are getting?
In my system,
Ramesh, I have like 17, it was there.
So you have Java 17, Rajeshwari?
Yeah, Ramesh.
Okay. Bhargavi?
Sir, I don't have system right now, sir. What to do?
Sorry?
I don't have a system right now, so at my home. So that's why.
So you don't have laptop and anything?
So no, sir. My brother take it. So that's why I don't have, sir. In 2
Without
days
this,
after today.
without the laptop or a desktop, this course doesn't work out, Bhargavi.
So after 2
you
days,
should
I
have.
got it.
Okay. Yeah. No
After 2
problem.
days, I get.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Fine.
Just,
But
okay.
watch this video later to install this.
Okay,
you have
sir.
to come back,
Okay,
with
sir.
installations by tomorrow.
Okay. After weekend, I will get. So that's why.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So this is how you can check. Even Java 17 also fine, but let me show you how to install. Okay. So I will also no go for Java 17, but even I have Java 11, but I will install Java 11 or 17, whatever it is. How to install? Where can I get that software? So just go to google.com. So if you want Java 11, just type JDK11 download. So JDK11 download. So then you can see there is a Oracle website. You don't need to go to any other websites. Just go to Oracle website. So Java SC11 archive downloads, and see this is the Oracle symbol. You can see oracle.com. So that is the one base for you. So click on that, and then so you can see here Java SC development kit 11.0.21, and you can see there is a Windows. I hope everybody is using Windows. Windows x64 installer. Just click on this. Okay, click on this. Then you will get this download JDK. So it might ask you username, password, but you can so give username, password. I'll give you that username, passwords. You don't need to create. You can use my username, password to download. Right, it's taking time. Oh, bad gateway. Okay. Let's see. Try one more time. Something wrong. Okay, so let's go for JDK 17. So Java downloads. You can go Java downloads. JDK C, JDK 17, 21 also available. So I'll go for Windows. Select the Windows. Select here JDK 17. Then select the operating system, Windows. So x64 installer. You can use this exe x64 installer. See, now it is downloading. So it's easy. Okay. Once it is downloaded, you go to downloads. So you can go to downloads. Here is the exe file. So where you can find. So in the downloads, you can see JDK 17. So this is the exe file. Just double click on this for installation. Just double click on this. And so say yes. And see, just click on next only. You don't need to do anything. Just click on next. Next. You don't need to make any changes. Just click on next. See, Java SC Development Kit 17.0.10 successfully installed. Then close it. So where you can find this? You can find this in C program files. Go to C drive. Your Windows Explorer, you open your Windows Explorer. So C drive, and you can see here program files. Can you see here program files? Right? So if you want, I'll just highlight so that you can also. So this is the one, program files. So you have to go to that program files, okay? I'll just erase this. Okay, go inside the program files, then look for Java folder. So here you can see JDK17. This is the just now I installed. I have JDK11 also. But I installed JDK11, either JDK11 or JDK17. Any one is fine. So if you click on this, you have this all the folders, different folders. So this is the how you can install the Java. And later we need to do one more configuration. You need to set environment variable for Java to recognize in the entire system. So how can you set the class path of Java in the environment variables? Why do you need to set the Java in the environment variables? Because now your Java is installed in this location. If it wants to recognize in other places also, you need to set the environment variables. So that's why we need to set the environment variables first. So till JDK11 or JDK17, you go copy this path. Okay, copy this path, copy, then open the environment variables. So environment variables. So you can see edit system environment variables. You can click on that. Okay, so it opened. Then in this screen, click on environment variables screen button. This button, you need to click on this. Then this window will open. You have two sections, user variables and system variables. So you can set the system variables and you have a new edit delete, right? Click on new, type here variable name as a Java_home and give that value as a whatever the one you copied, JDK path. So this is the path we have installed the JDK. So then click on OK because I already set it. So I'm going to cancel it. Okay. So what how you can reach here? So click on new button, then small window will open. Variable name you provide Java_home and variable value just give JDK path till JDK only. Don't give bin. So I'm clicking cancel because I already set it here. You can see here. Then you need to give the Java home path in the path variable. There is a path variable. Select the path variable, click on edit, and you need to write like this. So %Java_home %/bin. This is how you need to write it. So how to enter that? Click on new. Just type here %Java_home. Whatever the name you have given here, same name you need to provide here. %/bin. This is how you need to write that. So first you need to set the Java home path here. Then in the path variables, you have to give %Java_home %/bin. So this is the how to set the Java path in the environment variables. So click OK because I already said that's why I'm just canceling that. So you need to set only once. See here, Java_home /bin. Okay, any questions? Then click on all OKs. That's all. with the Java path, how to set in the environment variables. Any questions before going? So if you have any questions, let me know. We can, so I'll help you if you are facing any problem. Raishuri, did you set that? Go and check that, okay? Just type in the search
Okay.
system
Like
environment
setting.
variables.
Okay.
In the left bottom, there is a search, right? Just type or edit system environment variables, something you type it.
Okay. Yeah. Got it. Then.
So then click on that.
Mm.
Then you will get this window. Click on environment variables.
Okay.
Then in the system variables, so check whether you have a Java home variable or not, and that value. Whatever your JDK17, right? The JDK17 path should be set. So this is the how to set the class path. So till now we installed Java.
Just one more moment.
Yeah. If you want, you can share your screen if you're facing a problem. I'll help you out. So the second installation is IDE tools. So what are the different IDE tools we have? We have different IDE tools we have is
Eclipse. Intellij.
Eclipse. So so these are the IDE tools. IDE means integrated development environment. IDE tools, which are used to write, run, debug your code and see the output in the tool. You can use IDE tools. So IDE tools, we have Eclipse. The first and easiest one, Eclipse. Then second one, VSCode. And third one, very famous one, Intellij. So these are the three IDE tools I'm going to introduce you in this course. So we will use, once you are familiar with Eclipse, then we'll switch to VS Code. Okay. Then once you are familiar with VS Code, then we'll switch to Intellij. Because many people are using Intellij nowadays. So we'll habituate with the Intellij, how to use that. Okay. So that's the main agenda. Let's go and download all these things. How to download these things? So again, same, go to Google. That's the only option. Always go to Google, open the google.com, type Eclipse download. Just type Eclipse download. The first one you can see there is eclipse.org, right? So you can use the even first one also fine, Eclipse downloads. Eclipse Foundation. You can click on download packages. So this is the one, download packages. You click on this. And you can see on the more downloads on the right hand side. And you can use any one of these things. Like I can use 4.29. I don't want the latest one. I will use a 4.29. So let's go and click on 4.29 version. And just select Eclipse IDE for Java developers or Eclipse IDE for Java enterprise and web developers. So for us, this is enough, Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So just select Windows, this link, you click on this and click on download. So it will start downloading. It will take some time. Yes, it will take some time. So meanwhile, we'll start downloading other one also. So go to Google again, download VS Code, download for Windows. Simple. So Visual Studio Code, download for Windows, Mac is you can select this. So Visual Studio Code, the first one itself you can select. So here you can see Windows, Linux, Mac. So whichever you want, you can use. Here, use installer. So you can use, click on this x64. Just download this. So it will start downloading that. See, it started downloading that. Okay. So this is the VS Code is another popular IDE tool for development, for testing, anything. Similar, it's similar, okay? All are same. And third one is open google.com. Third one is Intellij. Okay. Type.
1 second.
Yeah, yeah.
In the download Visual Studio for Windows, we can go for user installer one.
Yeah, x64 installer is the right, that one.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Just download.
Yeah, just download, that's it.
Okay. We need to set up that one.
Yeah, I'll tell you. It will take
Okay.
some time to download, okay?
Sure.
Yeah. So meanwhile, yeah, others also you can just keep the download. Okay, you can put the download. So there is another one, Intellij download for Windows. Intellij download for Windows. See, download Intellij IDEA, the leading Java and Kotlin IDE. So click on this. Click on this. Intellij IDEA. So we need to use Community Edition. This is the free one. So we have to use Community Edition. So, and or you can just click on download. It will be Enterprise Edition and so that one, but you select Windows and click on download. 30 days. This one is, see, this is the paid one. You don't need. So this one is free, built-in open source. This one, Intellij IDEA Community Edition. So this is always free. So you need to use Intellij IDEA Community Edition. So click on download. So this is another one you need to download. If you want, I can give this links also. You can directly. So go and download that. So I'm sharing this URLs. You can download Intellij. So let me give you this Visual Studio Code. And this one is for Visual Studio Code. So all three are downloaded. Let's go and see them, where you can find them. So in the downloads, see that? Intellij IDEA. So Visual Studio Code setup and Eclipse. Eclipse is a zip file. Just what you can do, just you can cut it and put it in the C drive. So go to C drive and create a folder Eclipse 64 and just paste it here. So for me, some problem, but yeah, you can do that. So there is a permission issue from my side. Yeah, you can do that. There is no issue. Once you paste it here, let's go to downloads. Create a folder Eclipse 64 and paste it here. One more folder is open. Okay, maybe these are all open. That's a reason. Eclipse 64 folder, I'm keeping here. So my side permission issue, you can do that, okay? So no issues. So this is how you can download, and once you pasted here, you have to unzip this. Zip file, always remember, you have to unzip it. You have to unzip it. And so I'll show you how to unzip. Just extract all. Just do the extract all. See? So 2023, and this version is extracting. These are the main installations. We need to finish them. Say VS Code, you just go there and just double click on that. It will install automatically. See, directly accept, next, 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 install. That's it. You don't need to do any changes. Just click on next, next, next. That's it. So these are all fast installations, okay? These are all fast installations. See, VS Code is opened already, ready. So this is how you can recognize the VS Code. So that's the installation. Then IDE, this Intellij also, just double click on that. This is also straightforward installations. So, okay. And so this is also next, next only. Everything next, next. Some issue. Okay, all installations are done. Let's join back and we'll see. If you're facing problem, Ayeshri, I'll help you out, okay?
Okay, Ramesh.